Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for writing content. Easy method. To begin, open your browser and search for Claude AI login. Once the search results appear, look for the official Claude sign-in page and open it. From there, sign into your account to access the main workspace. Make sure you are using the correct official site so you can safely continue. After you are logged in, move to the left side of the screen and click New Chat. This gives you a fresh conversation, which is helpful when you want to focus on a specific writing task without distractions from previous chats. Next, type your writing content or your content request into the chat area. This is where you tell Claude what kind of writing help you need. Try to be clear and specific with your wording, because the better your instruction is, the more useful the response will usually be. Once you are in the chat, click on the area that says, "Just tell Claude what you need." This is the main prompt space, and it is where your instructions guide the results. After that, select Use Templates and Frameworks. This can be especially helpful if you want a more organized starting point for your content, since templates can make writing faster and more consistent. You may then see a message showing your request. Click on the conversation entry related to this tutorial topic so you can continue working within that thread. After that, open Best Prompting Tips for Writing. This section can help you understand how to phrase requests more effectively, which is useful if you want clearer drafts, better structure, or a more polished tone. Next, click on Content Types Claude handles well. This helps you see the kinds of content Claude can support, such as articles, summaries, outlines, and other writing formats. Reviewing this section can make it easier to choose the right approach for your project. Then, go to the side menu and open Artifacts and click New Artifact. This is useful for creating a separate working space for content you may want to build out more clearly or keep organized while you write. Finally, click on Projects in the left side menu. Projects can help you keep related writing work grouped together, which is especially useful if you plan to create multiple pieces of content or return to the same topic later. That's the easy method for using Claude AI to support your content writing workflow. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a simple way to start generating and organizing content more efficiently.